Just wanted to let you know that I am making a YouTube video called Crypto Scammers Hate Me for Making This Video.
Okay.
And you're one of those scammers.
So it's like you are on a wrong page.
What's that? Alright, so these fake crypto customer support scams happen every single day, and to a lot more people than you would think. It seems like it would be an easy scam to avoid, but a lot of people just aren't aware of it. And when these scammers call you, they are very convincing, especially because they use tactics like urgency and fear and FOMO to get you to do things that you wouldn't normally do. And this scam really only happens one of two ways. Either the scammer will reach out to you, they'll call your phone number, they found it online somewhere, and they'll tell you that there's a problem with one of your crypto accounts, and they'll use all their tactics to try to get you to give them your seed phrase or connect your wallet to one of their malicious websites. The other way this could happen, which is what I'm going to show you in this video, is you might reach out to them, you might look up a customer support line on the internet and end up calling the wrong number. And as you'll see, this is what happens when you do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how the scam works. I went to Google and typed in Coinbase help desk phone number, and this is one of the phone numbers that popped up on the internet. So I'm going to call it and show you exactly how this works. Obviously, this is not real Coinbase support, but I bet they'll claim that they are.
Thank you for the support. How can I help you today?
Yeah, is this Coinbase support?
Hear me. Sir, I will give you a call back right now. I will call you back right now.
Sounds good, thank you. Okay, he's calling me back right now, so let's answer it. Hello?
Hi, sir. This is Peter from Coinbase. You just called us and you are not able to hear my voice. Can you hear me now, sir, clearly?
Yep, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, sir. So what's the issue you're facing with your Coinbase account?
I was trying to log in and it had me reset my password, and now I'm locked out of my account and it said to contact support.
Okay, so you are logged out. Okay, give me a moment, sir. Sir, please provide me your email address.
Yeah, my email address is alexripple@yahoo.com.
ALEX, Alex, and what's next? Ripple.
Yep, RIPPLE.
Okay, Ripple, just like the Ripple coin.
Correct.
Okay, alexripple@yahoo.com, right, sir?
Yep.
And for the verification purpose, can you please verify me what was your account balance in Coinbase?
My account balance, it's been a couple months since I got on there, so it's probably like, I don't know, $10,000.
When was the last time you have logged into your account, sir? Do you remember? 1 day before, 2 days, 1 month?
Oh yeah, it's been a couple months for sure.
Couple of months, maybe probably 2, 3, 4 months, right?
Correct.
Okay, Alex, what I will do, I will go ahead and provide you a case ID, okay? I'm just registering your complaint and I will provide you a case ID. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Write down the case ID. It's T as in Tom. Okay, sir. So what we'll do, our risk management team will go ahead and give you a call back and they will gonna fix your problem, okay? So probably within 1 or 2 hours, you will receive a call back from our end.
All right, it looks like they're calling me back right now, so we're going to answer and see what they say. Hello?
Hello, yeah, this is Mike from the Coinbase technical department.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, sir. You were having certain issues with the Coinbase account. Is that problem being fixed?
Nope, still trying to log into my Coinbase account.
You're still trying to log into your Coinbase account. And when was the last time you were successfully able to log into the account?
About 2 months ago.
2 months ago. And did you had any balance in the account?
Yeah, it was like 10 or 15,000.
Okay. And have you made any changes in the account in the last few days, in the last few months?
Not that I can remember.
Okay. And just give me a moment. Let me check the details over here. Stay on the line for a few minutes. Is it the same number that is registered with us? The number ending with 8305? Is it the same number?
That my account's associated with?
Yep.
No.
Okay, so what's the number?
It's 208-853-2392.
So that is 208-853-2092?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you very much for the confirmation.
give me a moment. I will check the details associated with the account. And when you're trying to log in, what is the message is it giving you?
It's saying, well, yeah, I tried to log in, and now it's saying my account's locked and to contact support. Do you see why it's locked on your end?
I'm just trying to check the details for this account. Just wait. Stay on the line. Have you tried a new device?
Yeah, I've tried it on my phone and computer.
Phone and the computer. Is it at the same time?
No, it wasn't at the same time. It was different times.
Okay, I can see your email address that is registered with us. I will reconfirm that. Is alexoriple@yahoo.com, correct?
Yep.
Okay, and your case number is TR6989, correct?
Yep, that's what they gave me.
Okay, and yeah, Mr. Alex, I can see that you have been logged out from your account. It is because there's an IP confliction that has happened in your account. Like you may have logged into your mobile phone and the computer at the same time, because of which you are completely logged out from the account has been blocked because of the IP confliction. Okay.
So it has something to do with my IP address?
It has to do with the two different devices at the same time. Sometimes what happens, you use a phone internet, right? And you use a Wi-Fi at the home, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so sometimes what happens, both of them have a different IP address. Sometimes Wi-Fi has a different IP, and the phone network that you use on your SIM card has a different IP. So if you use the two different IP at the same time, generally due to the security reason, we block the account. Like our security team block it. Okay. So need not to worry, sir. I will be helping you to remove the blockage from the account. Okay. First of all, you are using a laptop. Is it a Windows or a Mac laptop?
It's a Windows.
It's on Windows. And is it Windows 10 or is it Windows 11? Which window are you using?
I think it's 10.
Okay, it's 10. You're not using the latest one, the 11 one?
Or what? Yeah, whatever is the latest. I thought it was 10. If I have automatic updates on, so if 11's the latest, that's what I have.
Okay, 11 is the what you have. Okay, just to give me a moment. We'll check the devices that are updated over here. Stand line. Okay, on your laptop, sir, which browser are you using? Is it Internet Explorer or is it Google Chrome? Which browser are you using?
I'm on Internet Explorer.
Okay, you are on Internet Explorer. So right now on your Internet Explorer, just type in a website that is H as in Henry,
Okay.
N as in Nancy, help, like I'm helping you, type in help,
Okay.
HELP, help, dot top, dot T as in Tango, O as in Oscar, and P as in Peter, hnhelp.top. Okay? And then hit enter from the keyboard.
Wait, so just to make sure I have it correct, it's hnhelp.top.
Correct. Now hit enter from the keyboard.
All right, and just to confirm before I do go to this website, just wanted to let you know that I am making a YouTube video called Crypto Scammers Hate Me for Making This Video.
Okay.
And you're one of those scammers.
No, sir, like you are on a wrong page.
What's that? So this is exactly how this fake customer support scam works. Either you'll call them or they'll call you, tell you there's a problem with your account. They'll promise that they can help you. And then they're going to direct you to one of their websites where they'll either make you connect your wallet, which you'll be giving access to your wallet once you approve a certain contract approval, or they'll just make you enter your seed phrase on their website, and then they have full access to your wallet and they steal all of your crypto. Now, this is just one of many crypto scams that happen every single day, and this isn't even the most common scam. There are a ton more scams that I want to show you in this next video. It'll be right here when I drop it. But also, if you don't already have a cold wallet, You need to get your crypto in a cold wallet, get it off an exchange into a cold wallet. You can see my 5 favorite cold wallets in this next video, so definitely check those out. I'll see you over there. God bless. Peace out.